Hello, you are most welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through Excel. Okay, I know it has always been very difficult for you to understand Excel, but today you're going to realize how Excel is actually very, very easy. We are going to do a simple number here. This number is telling us that study the figure below. This is the figure and answer questions that follow. These are the questions that we are going to look at. Uh, the questions that we have that state the entries for the following cells in A12 and then E10. We are going to answer one by one. So when you get here to our question, this is a shop weekly sales. And when we look at that first question, we can see item. We have item. We can start with first things first. For example, calculating the total. We can say sum. Sum. Then we open here. We highlight this quantity up to down here. Okay, that is, and then we close. So we enter. When you enter, this is the answer that they want for total. Then average, we can say equal sign average. Average. We open the brackets, again highlight down here, up to down there. Okay, and we shall again do the same thing. So this is our average down here. So we can even just drag. So we have here cost price at the end here. We can still do the same even here. You can as well just highlight here. Sorry, here we just drag it. Just drag here. Drag there. You can see it calculates automatically. So even the same story here, you can just drag it up down here. You can see. All right. So when it comes to the totals, we have almost completed, but here for income and profit is because we still have some missing gaps that we have to actually do calculate. Okay, so when you see this is F, you must know how to do cell referencing. So we have cell F8. So F8, when you get to F8, how do we get F8? So F8, we can say that equal sign this to be able to get income. Okay, we are getting this plus sorry, that one, then we add. Okay, we can even say okay, so we add plus this one here, and then we get the answer. So this answer here, let's put it in a different color. Put it in a different color because we need to know the ones that so far we've calculated. We can put them in red. Maybe zoom. Okay, I hope there we can be able to see properly when I'm doing the calculations. Even these ones here, let's make them red since we have calculated them. This, make it red. Okay, so we are remaining with this one here. we say to get this, you add this plus that. So again, equal sign this, say plus this one here, then we get the answer. So this answer also we make it red, taking out of the ones that are in red. Right. Okay, so this we are now getting the profit of this one. This is G6. So G6, we get this minus that. Okay, so G6, the formula for getting that, you must get to know what we are doing. Please, for those that are still following, I said set equal sign this one here minus this F6. Okay, so this is our formula, and then enter. When you enter this answer, I said all our answers, let's put them in red. I hope you are following. Continue subscribing to my YouTube channel, Charles Mundawa Online Computer and ICT Lesson. So again, this one also the same thing that we've just done here. We say equals this one, okay, minus that. Okay, so we say enter. So even this one we put it in red. So that means we can now be able to calculate this total here. Okay, we now just push on up there. Even here we now up to there. So the answers are very clear. I think you can see we have calculated, we have finished the total in seconds, we have filled all these that were missing. Okay, so when you get to this question here, okay, now we are now getting this question. State the entries for the following cells. A12. So A12, you come and look for A12. A12, this is A, and then we have numbers. We have the letters here, then we have the numbers here. So 12, A12. 12 is here. So this is the one that they want. So the answer becomes Kimbo. So we come here and we write Kimbo. Okay, so Kimbo is our answer there. So we go back to the next question, E10. State the entries for the following cells. E10. So we go back to we look for E, then 10, this one here. So I can copy it. So that is what they expect us to write. So I control V and I paste it there. Then the next thing is write the formula you would enter to calculate the one. Remember we said our answers should be red, so we make it red. Even this one here, we make it red. All right, so the total, the formula you would enter to calculate the total quantity of items. Total quantity of items. So you go back, the total quantity of these items, this is the quantity. So the total, the formula is here. Okay, so you can see how did we get this formula. We say the equal sign, I don't know if you can see this, we say equal sign sum B4 to B14. So I can just copy this, I come down here, I put this answer there. Okay, and we make it red also. Good. Then write the formula you would enter for total for income. So we go back to our spreadsheet. Total for income. Okay, total for income. So total for income, you can see here. Is our formula correct? Total for, go back to the question, total for income. So first of all, if you realize the formula is wrong, first of all, you know that total for income, it is F. So F, here it should be having F. So we can remove it. We can remove this and we say equal sign sum. Okay, sum. Then we come and open the brackets and highlight from here F4 to F14, and then we close the brackets and enter. So you can see this is our answer. You come and simply highlight here, highlight this one, we copy it, we copy this one, we come here and we put that answer there. Remember, we said all our answers should be in red. Okay, I hope you are able to see the formulas that we are getting. Now the next thing is profits earned from shares. We have already calculated that one. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, so profits earned from shares. Profits, this is shares. Okay, so these are the profits. So the formula is here. You just simply, we said this one minus this to give us this income. So I simply carry this because the question is asking us profits. Write the formula you would enter to calculate the profits from shares. So since I've already done it this side, I simply come here and highlight. I copy it and take it in my answer booklet. So we say this one should be also red. Then income earned from soap. Income earned from soap. Income earned from soap. Where is soap? This is soap, and they are asking us about this income. So this is the income that has been earned from the initial money for soap. So still we said here that how do we get that income? That we say equal sign, okay, this one here, are we together, plus this profit. So we are adding the initial income, the initial buying price, okay, buying price, and then the profit. So the profit here is this one here. So we just say enter. When you enter, the formula that they are looking for is this one here. So we copy it and come down here, we Control V to paste, and then we highlight to make it red. Remember, always our answers, we want to make them red. So the next question on agenda, that the commodity with the lowest, they want the formula, okay, to calculate, or that will enter to calculate the commodity with the lowest cost price. Now when you look here, the commodity with the lowest cost price, okay, sorry about this, this one is a mistake. Let's hope you remember, when we were beginning, we said equal sign, okay, and we said sum, open the brackets, and then we highlighted here up to down there, and then we closed the brackets and enter to get this answer, the total. Okay, but now the question they are asking us, so we have to look at the commodity with the lowest. So we can say commodity lowest. You can say lowest. We can even make it bold. Bold. Okay. So commodity with the lowest. When you look here at the formula, we need to say mean. Mean means that a commodity, it means the lowest. Are we together? So since we are looking for the commodity with the lowest cost price, so cost price is on C here. So we can actually put it here, and then we say equal sign. Okay, mean means lowest, and then we open the brackets. Okay, we highlight here, highlight from here up to there, okay, to C14, and then we close and enter. You can see that this one here, 150, is the lowest. Okay, lowest. Even when you use your naked eyes, you can see that 150 is the lowest. So when they ask you for the commodity that is the lowest, it is curry powder. So we go back to the question, what is it asking us to do? Okay, that the commodity with the lowest cost price. But they are asking us to write the formula you would enter to calculate. So that formula there is the one we are from calculating to give us this 150. So we simply highlight here, we copy, and then we go back to our answer. We answer here, and then we paste it there. Remember, I said all our answers should be in red for our viewers to be able to see. Then we come back to this question. Write the formula you would enter to calculate the lowest quantity. So you still go back here to our cell or our spreadsheet, sorry, so that we look at quantity. This is our quantity. So say equal sign, sorry, sorry about this, I'm just removing this. So here we say equal sign, mean. You hope you remember that. Said mean means lowest. So we open the brackets, and then we highlight here. They talked about quantity. So then we close brackets, enter. So meaning that the formula that can give us the lowest commodity is this one here. So you highlight it. When you highlight, copy it, and then you come back to our answer sheet, and you put it there. This answer, we can now put it also in red so that we don't get disturbed. Now, the commodity with the highest. Remember here, we have already talked about mean being the lowest. Now, that means here we are going to use max. Okay? Max. So, we come back to our spreadsheet here. This one should be highest. Highest. So the highest, we say equal sign max. open brackets, that is profits. Okay, highest profits, is it so? We go to our question. Yes, profits and then income. So we come to our Excel, we can highlight here, we highlight up to there, okay, and then we close. So this is the formula that we are looking for, max G4 to G14. Okay, so when we enter, it gives us this one. Okay, this one being the highest. When you look through, indeed, which commodity has that? That is soap. Okay, and soap, that means is our highest. Okay, so we come and copy this formula. This formula here, we go back to our workbook and then we put it here. The same thing for income, same thing for income as we are calculating. We again say we go back to our spreadsheet and then calculate it also. So this one we say equals, we are now calculating the highest income. So equals, remember the symbol for highest is max. Don't forget, you open the brackets. When you open the brackets, you come and highlight our income starting from here. This is F4 to F14, and then you close the brackets. When you do that, simply click enter. Of course, the answer they have asked us for is this one here. We have already calculated it, so you simply enter. When you enter, it will show us 80,000. So 80,000, when you look through on the side of income, you can see that 80,000 is actually the highest. Don't mind about these zeros, we are going to recalculate them. So in case they ask for the commodity, it is flour. Flour is the one that has the highest what? Income. But they want the formula. So the formula is simply highlight here and then we come and write that formula there. Good. So this one also we make it red. Okay, so it becomes easy. We go back to our spreadsheet here. We move this equals this plus this, and then we enter. You can see it is recalculating itself. The same thing here. Come and we say equals, equal sign, this one here minus this one here, and it gives us the answers. Until it calculates, you can see all my answers here. Okay, I hope we can now be able to answer that, write the correct entries for F8. So you just come here, you look for F8. Where is F8? F8 is this one here. Okay, so our answer becomes 31500. So you simply come here and write 31500. The next one is G6. So you go back to our spreadsheet, look for G6. G6 is cheers, but the figure is 6342. 6342. So you simply write it here, 6342. Okay, you can see how it becomes easy the moment you do the calculations fast. The The next one, next question, F13. So go back to our spreadsheet. F13, you look for F13, that is SOP. So SOP is 70 to 100. So you simply come and write it here also. 70 to 100. The moment you're done with the calculations, life becomes very, very easy. So look at G11. G11, according to our spreadsheet here, G11, G11 is curry powder, that is 2250. 2250. Okay, then C15. Go back to C15. C15, that is 1000. Okay, we have 10007. Okay, write that one. 10007. Okay, don't interchange anything. We have now the last for second last. F15. F15 is 363300. 36330. So 363300. You write exactly the way it is. B16, which is our last one, B16 is 360909. 360909. And you can see these are our answers. We can even make them red. Red. You can see how it is quite easy. Red. Okay. It's a very interesting question. I hope you are enjoying this tutorial. I want to thank you for this time, and I hope that this lesson has really made meaning to you. You can see we have done the questions and answered everything according to the questions. Okay, you can also check through here. We have also calculated everything, and you can see this highest is not supposed to be here. We put highest, and I said lowest is equal sign mean. Okay, and then you open the brackets, whatever they're asking for, highlight, go down, close the brackets, hit your enter. Okay, when you check through, it is B14. So enter. So then when you come to the highest is max. So equal sign max, and then open brackets, still highlight. Okay, and then hit your enter. Right, so this is how we calculate. You can see my answers. We said the answer should be in red. Alright, so you can see we have done the calculations. The question was very easy. Okay, all these ones were missing gaps. These ones here. Okay, all these. I want to thank you for, if you find this tutorial very useful, please hit on the notification button and continue liking my tutorials so that you can also share with your friends so that we learn together in this period. I want to thank you, and may God bless you so much.